Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Trello for personal goals, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you log into Trello is go to your boards and create a new board. We're going to name this board personal goals, select whichever background you want, the visibility you want, and then create the board. Once you've created the board, it'll look like this, completely empty with just one button to add a list. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, you're going to want to make big goals the names or the titles of the list. For example, let's say this is, I don't know, I'll just say 3 books read, just as an example. So I can add 3 cards. So for example, book 1, book 2, book 3. Now you have a list with some cards, and you're going to want to modify those cards. For example, if we want to add an end date, we can just easily go into dates and select the due date. Make it, I don't know, for example, the 16th of September at this time. If you want, you can even not add a time, but let's say at this time, and click save. And now we have a due date by which we have to complete this. If you have read the book, you can just easily hover over this, click on it, and as you can see, it'll turn green to show you that it has been done. And you're going to want to do this for each goal you have. Just create a list for each goal, and then create sub goals as cards, and then modify those cards to your liking or to whichever specifications you want. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.